I wanted an image of Vernal Falls frozen. I headed to Yosemite first thing in the morning. When I got there, the falls were flowing more than expected, but there was an interesting ice formation in the cracks of the granite behind the falls. I like this image because it reminds me of a modern art painting. I saw the moon rising in the east, and I took this image. Later, the sun came out, and I took one more shot, similar to the one before, but with different lighting. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments.